In this video, I will show you how to find jobs on LinkedIn. To find jobs on LinkedIn, first open your LinkedIn account on your device. Once you are logged in, click on Jobs. Here you will see top job recommendations for you, such as the following. Next, you can explore job collections categorized by education, nonprofit, small business, and remote positions. You will also find suggested job searches, such as marketing manager, legal, sales, Amazon, Google, and analyst. Let us say you are interested in the analyst position. Click on it and you will see a list of all available analyst jobs. Scroll down to review the entire list. If you want to explore other job options, simply go back and check out different categories, like project manager, or explore all jobs in the job collection section. For example, you can click on remote to see all remote job opportunities. Scroll down to see more options. Now let us say you are interested in nonprofit jobs. Click on nonprofit and you will find a list of nonprofit organizations hiring on LinkedIn. You can also check out specific sectors like finance. Clicking on finance will display all available jobs in financial services. Finally, you can explore specific job titles within a category, such as Senior Manager Project Sales. Just click on the title to see available opportunities matching that role. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on LinkedIn. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.